Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Trading with Ashley show. I hope you're excited about this video because I really want all of you to learn how to trade. In fact, I'm so committed to you learning how to trade that I am hosting a free live training tomorrow, and it is going to help you understand how to utilize various trading strategies no matter if the market is up or down. So if you want to be a part of that live training, it will be tomorrow. Click the link below and sign up. I will not be sending out a recording. So if you want to be a part of it, you have to be present. And for those that are actually there, I have a special surprise for all of you. So I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. Now, we had an incredible day in the market. It was amazing to see all of our stocks rebound. I was showing the community today how some trades we took just 10 days ago and 2 weeks ago, how we had already profited on them significantly. And we were able to go into the weekend with quite a bit of profit based on just knowing when to strike when we are trading. And that's one of the things I'm going to be teaching you if you join my live training tomorrow. Now, we want to celebrate when we have an amazing day like this. I know that I'm going to get this message, and sure enough, today I did. Brian, he is our newest TWA millionaire. Congratulations, Brian. He is now in the 7-figure club. So that's so exciting. And then today we learned something special on our community call. We have a gentleman in our community. He is the first that I know of multi-millionaire, and he's such a humble spirit and so kind. His name's Morris. Morris, we are all congratulating you, and he just wanted to inspire others. We also had something that was really special that I want to share with all of you. We had a member whose name is Thurman. Now, Thurman joined me last year. He just hit his year anniversary. He was 74. He had never traded a day in his life. And just this year, after being in our community and learning how to properly trade, he has created a 67% return in 1 year. And he was just shaking his head saying he doesn't know why everyone doesn't do this. You know, when our parents were older and they wanted to keep their minds sharp, they would do crossword puzzles. Well, we are learning how to trade, and we are having so much fun doing it. So excited for all of our members that are moving forward in life with trading. And I'm so glad that you have found a community that helps support you and that you have found a mentor that can help get you where you want to be. So let's talk about what is going to be happening all next week. I want to go through the state of the market, and I want to show you if I think we are going up or down next week. We are entering into massive earnings season, and I am so poised and ready for some incredible trades next week. If you are in my community, get ready because I hope you have money to the side. We have some wonderful trade setups that are starting to set up for you. In fact, if you're not in my community, I want you to make sure you are subscribed because this week I am going to give you an incredible play on SoFi. It's a popular stock. I know all of you love to trade it. I love to trade it, and I don't mind trading over earnings if we have the right setup, and I think I found a really good one for you. So be looking for that video. Right now, we are going to go jump into the computer. We're going to look at the state of the markets. We're going to look at the fear and greed index, and I'm going to tell you where I think everything is going. Let's go do that now. The first thing I want to do is look at the technicals on the NASDAQ because a lot of the stocks that I trade are in the NASDAQ. So this can be very helpful to give me better direction of where the market is going. Now, I see, just like you do, that we are at the top of the Bollinger Band. But I also am noticing that the RSI is not yet at 70, meaning we are not quite overbought. Now, we do have this little gap to fill right here, and I don't know if that will be addressed on Monday or maybe even Tuesday. We do have SoFi earnings coming up on Tuesday, so we'll have to see how that plays into the equation. But I want to go look at something else that shows me that there is a lot of opportunity left in the market. Let's go look at the CNN Fear and Greed Index. If you look at the CNN Fear and Greed Index, you will notice that we are in fear. Now, when we have the market at the top of the market and we are in extreme greed, then I would do everything I could to go ahead and cash up because that means we have two indicators telling us that we are toppy. Anytime we're in extreme greed, I like to have about 30% cash to the side. But when we are in fear, that means that a lot of money has not yet entered the market. And so you do have the dynamics where we have a lot of money to the side. We also have earnings coming up. It looks like earnings are going to be strong for some of our major companies. If we look at how some of the smaller companies have performed, that will provide additional tailwinds. And then we still have the dynamic with China and the US. If all of that gets settled, there's no reason why we can't continue to push higher. So at this point, with fear being in the market and with us being at all-time highs, I'm not yet super nervous because I think there's a little bit more opportunity definitely to be looking at maybe a Christmas rally. So knowing that, I am going to be cautious, but I am also going to be cautiously optimistic, and I will be looking for some trade setups to take advantage of that safely. Now, I hope you are pumped up and ready for whatever the week brings. I hope to see a lot of you tomorrow. Remember, if you're with me, Trading with Ashley, there is no trader left behind. Now, if you want to watch a video I just did that's going to help you through earnings season, you can watch that video right here.